I love your tower. Awesome. Good job, baby girl. Have you heard? How is it? 6:40. Huh. You're having some fun floor time. Let's see. Yay! Pretty tower girl. Are you camera shy? Are you looking away from the camera? Sophie, smile. Do your silly smile. Oh, man. You're crazy boy today, huh? Yeah, did you roll over and do tummy time? You had a busy day. Yes, you did. What about you, Soph? No, what?
How am I doing, Doc?
Are you being a stinker? Are you being a stinker?